Hello everyone, Xiaomi has just launched the Redmi Note 13 series, including a special version Redmi Note 13 Pro plus Aape edition. Redmi Note 13 Pro plus Special Edition with a fancy look comes with a highly customizable limited version of the theme. On the lock screen, there is a switch to quickly switch between the main colors, including all four beautiful colors: white, red, black, and default color. On the home screen, Miui applications have icons of the Aape edition theme. To install the theme on Xiaomi device, download MIT's theme in video description. With rooted device or running EU ROM, Raven UI ROM, there is an import MIT's feature inside the theme application. You can import MIT's theme easily with this features. After that, just apply this theme on your device. Main color options on the theme's lock screen. And charging animation like that. If your device is global version not has import features in theme app, open Play Store and find MIT's Tester to install. Open app and select and apply MIT's to your device. But with MIT's Tester, after applying for a while, the theme will return to default. That is a limitation of global ROM. Redmi has released several special editions of its devices, with the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus having an Astro Boy version, or Redmi Note 12 Turbo has Harry Potter version. Currently, I'm still looking for the MIT's files of these themes. In the near future, if I have them, I will post a video to share with you. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.